Alright guys, so welcome to another video, and today we'll be dealing on US 30. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Now with everything there, I'll clear everything up first. Now we know the first step to everything we usually do, and what is the first step? The first step is to identify what our daily drawn liquidity, which is our DOL. Now in identifying our DOL, we have to look at the candle, which is according to how they call it or the fancy names they are giving it is candle range theory or whatever. But just taking a look at everything, you can see that this what on Monday candle cancelled what on Friday's low, right? So obviously this bearish candle had no power again. And then we had a what a bullish close candle, intending that what we have our DOL as what this high. Let me mark it out so that you won't be confused there. We have our DOL as this high, which is the previous day what high. So obviously in anything we're doing, we have to look for what demands that can pick up price to take price to the finish line, and basically that's what we're doing. Now the next thing I just did, I went down to my 30 minutes time frame after having my target as here, which is this high. I simply went down to 30 minutes time frame to identify my POI. Now in identifying my POI, I had to choose from here. Where is it? From here, because this is what the previous day did. I have to choose from within this level here. Now, with me choosing from within this level, the reason why I chose here to be my demand is because it first of all did what? Cancelled out this low. It first of all swept out liquidity here. And if you look properly, you can see that it tried to create a high, an invalid high here. So the fact that all these are invalid levels, it just means that everything here was what? Liquidity. No, that everything here was liquidity. Therefore, going higher like this to what? To break structure. Now I'm going to clear everything off. Now that we know that what we cleared structure there, or have cleared liquidity here, obviously it just made me see that what there's no reason for price to come down to this low any further. And now what we have is we can work with what this. And this was how I simply marked up my entry. Although I was like skipped from the trade, but still you get the idea. The reason why I was skipped is because I didn't mark it up completely. I'll show you the way I did. I was supposed to mark it up like a very sweet 5 hour trade that I missed like this Tuesday morning. Now if you go down to the 1 hour time frame, you can see what happened there. You can see that the block is full like this. So assuming I marked it up like this, yeah, I'll have got the trade, but either way, it's a win, it's a lose, a lose. I don't even know what to say before that. But now I hope you understand the terminology as to how exactly I got it straight. Now stay tuned. We'll continue like this, digressing to more and more this week. Catch you guys later.